Can we say hello for this morning's victim? She came about 20 minutes ago. She's gonna leave in about 20 minutes time. The customer probably just got home. By the time he gets home, I'm gonna message him now to tell him come fetch your car. Yeah, this is still within the same 9 o'clock hours, no? Kat het opgetrek, ek het goed losgeskiet. Right, ek het al goed gehad koop nou al. The gear is destroyed, which is a normal thing when people don't know how to tie the crank bolt properly. Yeah, that's the gear I use. I don't need to use a special type of name brand for anything. That is a very good name brand. It does survive. As long as you do it correctly, it will survive. Ja, nuwe gear. Die was ekke vanoggend. Die sê eintlik vir die customer, nie, dis myne. My fuel relay het uitgebrand vanoggend. In die traffic, terwyl ek ry. So, do I know what was wrong here? Yes, it's called moisture damage. Do you see how the contacts are different colors? Yeah, this relay has burnt out in the past and I have repaired it about a year ago. There you can see the burn mark on the left side here, in the corner. Basically. Yeah, but gee gou 20 minutes, laat hy gou hy kak opsit daarso en die timing stywer maak en die tension net opsit daarso en dan kan hy gou fuck off, né? En die vat nie lankie, dis 45 minutes, dan ry hulle hier weg. Sy het gekom op 'n toutrak, né? Sy het gekom op 'n toutrak. Hulle moet nou obviously 'n drywer kry vir haar maar terug te ry nou. Or someone more intelligent than me is going to have questions. No, I have not started the vehicle yet. At all. Based on what I found just visually, that is what I went with. So, hier as ek nou die keys terug in die kar. And I'm reopening the bonnet again because I left to go and buy components. The buying of the parts took longer than the diag of the car. You understand? I spoke longer to the bloody salesman than what I did doing the diag. Maar ek weet julle neersit, julle is irritating soms as ek julle moet vashou. But yeah, let me put my music on now. What I'm going to do now is pull a gear, pull a tensioner, put a new gear, put a different tensioner, tighten everything. I made sure the terminals of the battery is tied. Julle ouens, nee man. Tie the terminals, otherwise the fan don't come on. And then you blow your head gasket. And then you tend to blame others. Look in the mirror first, nah? Tie the terminals. That's the first thing I had to do when I opened the bonnet. Tie the terminals. Inspected the engine bay. And then went to the timing belt. Pop. So when I took the other belts off, the auxiliary belts, the pulley is loose. Took the pulley off. The gear is destroyed. Because it wasn't tied. This is what I do on a daily. Dan wanneer hulle kom as ek 12 o'clock al by die huis al. Van my job vat 5 minutes dan fok of ek. Yes. What you struggle with for 2 weeks, I figure out in 15-20 minutes and then I fuck off. That's what I do. That is why I can call myself a fuck up specialist and not a fucking Opel specialist anymore. Because I'm only fixing fuck ups. As that part, nobody wants to show you that first start moment, no? Ek het nog niks gedoen, ek het net die belt opgesit, né? Waterpomp lek nou daarso. Ek moes nog adjustments gedoen daarso, né? Maar alles is op. Belt is styf, styf. Nee, kind of styfie, styf. Properly styf. Hy's uit 5de uit. Kom ons vinnig uit, wat maak jy? Hi there. Sounds like you have bad contact on spark plugs. Dan maar nou uitvind wat is met die spark plugs is hier in. Same plug leads like mine. That one's 4. Julle leg reg. Ons plak gewoon net jou TPS uit. just in case you're malfunctioning, because I can see you pirate. Foot in. Was feed coffee op bietjie alcohol. It was just last week. I think it's about the same time of the week last week when we spoke about non-resistor spark plugs. Owens, the spark plug must be blue or green, not grey. That's for a Golf or a 2E Toyota. These are not made for fuel injection. I'm going to change the spark plugs quickly. I need to take the sleeves off because those are 21s. You only have sleeves on with a 16 size spark plug. So if you have sleeves on, ask them for the 16 plug. The 16 plugs are correct, no? Not the 21s. But yeah, this is non-resistor. That is why the car starts and don't want to rev up right now. This was initially the issue. Timing and the gear. And the pulley wasn't fast. But now why it started and just died again after that. And the spark plug says that the car start. See, talking is nothing. You have to physically go to the car. My brain said when I pulled this out, "Ooh, spark plug looks new." And then I pulled this off. And then I found that it's non-resistor. Right? That's a prime plug. So it's BP6. Must be BP or 6. So allemaal die sleeve liners moet nou afkom. Spark plugs moet uitkom. En hulle moet gechange word. Even though hulle nie was is, hulle is useless nou op die kar. Do you understand? Yeah. Don't take any advice I'm giving you. I'm stupid. I don't know anything about these cars. Yeah, look a little chaotic here, no? Unfortunately, we have to get to a point somehow. We have to either entirely cut out the alarm, but we need to get to a point. We need to get to a point. Car wouldn't rev up, no? Don't worry, I'm still going through shit, but at least we're at a point, right? That's what we want to be. I'll sort out the idling stories now, that's not a problem. So I'm not warm idle, look. She needs to idle, because I don't know the car almost now, right? He says the car don't rev up, now it revs up, right? I know nothing about the vehicle aside from now I'm at a point where I can assess the car, right? Ons is nog nie by die assessment part nie. Ons het maar nou net gestart maar eerste. Right? Die water en olie en die ding. Ja, daar is somewhat. Hy was nie baie styf nou nie, hy moet styf vastgedraai word nou. Die was ook nie vastie, die was ook nie vastie, die was ook nie vastie. Allemaal die plug leads was los. Allemaal die plug leads was los. Partly ook te doen, hoekom het is al oprevie, van hy vaar jy net op 1 en dan vaar jy op 2 en dan vaar jy op 3, dan vaar jy in between op nog een extra ene. I'm not familiar with the car, but don't leave car comments yet, I'm still doing diag. Pirate and nog pirate. Wat is rattling so hier? I can hear spark loss. Definitely I can hear spark loss. Ek gaan nou uitvind wat ene is die spark loss op. Dis hoekom sy vrek as hy rev. Sien, as ek spark check, 'n maklike ding om te doen is vat jou fucking spray bottle met water, whatever. Seems to be fine. Ek maak dit skoon daar so waar daar olie is. Ons het intermittent in between issues. Okay, raak warm nou. Ik ga nou weer jullie afzetten, want die gaat de tijd zien vatten om warm te houden. I need to let it run warm. Does the fans go on? Is the car operating normal? Is there enough fuel pressure? Am I gonna lose spark? Ouwens, ons gaat weer vir julle dieselfde ding sê, né? Hierdie is nie gemaak vir 'n Opel nie, né? Dis 'n Golf se spark plugs en 'n Toyota. Non-resistor plugs you cannot use in a resistor car. You are frying things. You are blowing up the coils. En as die salesman vir jou die kak verkoop, gaan kak hom uit asseblief van 'n coil. Daai is R1600. Right? Die salesman gaan nie jou geld vir jou teruggee nie. Hy gaan sê ek sorry. From a non-runner to a very responsive mother shot now, né? Ja, dan maak jy mountings girl. But ja, jy kan huis toe gaan, né? Fuck off. It's nice gespray. Nice clean up job. There isn't much smoke, but there is blow by. It sounds healthy. It sounds like a little 1.6 Astra F. Ja, 'n bietjie vuil rook daar so. Ja, sit er nog daai. Maar nou dice pirate. It's not original. So this resistance drops. And if that can't keep up, she will fret. Right? Ek maar hoe die ding hoe set as hulle kak components is, dan gaan hulle net elke keer daai issue hê. But she didn't start it all and she didn't rev up. But she does that now. But ja, ek kan nie help vir daai goed nie. So clearly you're not running off the idle valve. So it was a vacuum leak hier agterin. Daar is 'n waterpyp. Ja, hy is toegekap. Hy het nie 'n vacuum leak daar nie. Hy is toe. So there's a pipe that goes in there and there's a pipe that comes out at the back. So you saw all there. Ja, die waterpomp lek. Ons het hom nog 'n bietjie geklok. Maar daar is nou fok on nie. Daar is niks te doen met wat ons nou besig is mee nie. Ja, kyk hoe hang die pypie op sy. Hy hang op 'n bietjie haartjies daarso. Ja, dis hoe ons hom kry, né? Het ek nou weer spark los? Of is dit net die feit dat as jy besig om op temperature te kom, jy plug is aan kakkelos, jong. Not a good thing, no? On the coil. The bra must lock on both sides, not just the top side. Ja, hulle het al jou pushings gebuig al binne in sy moer, jong. Hoekom? Hoekom hulle so baklei saam met jou? Wat gaan aan? I need the fan still to come on. So jy moet nog help, girl. Jy kan nie nou vrek nie. Is hy idle vir my? Idle, girl. Idle tot jou fans aankom. Okay, maar niet te maak. Idle tot jou fucking fans aankom. But I'll get back to you when the shit actually happens. Actually, it's running already. Are you just? It shouldn't be running it. That thing's on quarter, which means either this stuff is not making contact here, or this is running off a Peugeot switch. I don't see no Peugeot switch. And I don't see no Peugeot switch. So wherever a cold start malfunction. Yeah, but you shouldn't be on yet. You shouldn't be on yet. Fans running. Shouldn't be running. So either somebody bypass something there, but cold start shouldn't be on yet. Die kar is nog koud. Dit is nog nie warm genoeg om uit te doen nie. En nou is iets geconnect daar om te sê dat hulle iets om het gouer te laat aankom nie. Getting better. Getting better in idling. But ja, daar moet nog geen aanwissie. Sy is nog eens op kote nie. Sy is nog eens naby kote nie. So that means it's not gonna come up. He's actually coming up. Yeah, we have a water pump leak there, né? Waterbom moet replace word, nuwe tension moet opgesit word, nuwe timing belt moet opgesit word, thermostat moet opgesit word. Oliepomp. Ja. So for now low mileage, né? By 200,000 she wants new oil pump, né? Ja. Sy's 'n Astra baby girl, sy's 'n Astra. En sy het 180,000 k's op. Sy het half 'n miljoen op. Sy het minder kilometers as my op. She's running efficiently now. I can't speak for the rest of what she does. But look. She needs a rear engine mounting, a left side, driver side engine mounting. It's actually mostly just that side. Kan jy sien hoe lek die waterpomp daaronder? Ja nee. Let's see what the client says now about that.